Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys what items are the most worth it to purchase using your shells. So as you can see, the shell items are right here, plus the walk pack, which I do have. It is the Ivy League pack here, as you can see. Now, I think the least worth it is this set over here. Why? Because I hear music. Sorry. I think it's the least worth it because we have something kind of similar like this in VIP, but if you don't have VIP, I think you could go for it. But if you do have VIP, I think it's less worth it to purchase first. So what I did was I purchased this first, and then I purchased this. Then I purchased these shoes, and then the skirt, and then the top. So the most worth it item I think is the butterfly top, and then this shell top is also, well, I think the butterfly is the most worth it item that you can get. Then I would say the pose, I would go for it last because I sometimes don't even use the walk poses sometimes, but it's just hard to like go in between like shops and then like I have to go here to actually change it. I wish they have like a UI where it's like actually here, so it's a little bit easier for me to access and change. But yeah, that I think is the most worth it items to purchase using your shells. So I feel like it would be better if you go in that order because you're going to use that the most to the least. That is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!